Hey boss, the value for this component right on the table means the main one, which is this temperature sensor module, which is a MAX6675 Thermocouple. You see that is made by the module itself and then the probe. We are going to learn this powerful module that can be used to measure high temperatures for oven, furnace, or just industrial project. In this video, we will see together how to interface this MAX6675 K-type thermocouple module with Arduino Uno, including wiring, code, and how it works. This K-type thermocouple module has the ability to measure temperature between 0 up to 1024 degrees Celsius by converting the tiny thermocouple voltages into digital signal, making it easy for Arduino to read accurately. So how it works? You see, we have the module, which on it there is that chip which is MAX6675. Then you have this thermocouple probe, and then this thermocouple generates a small voltages when the tip experiences with variation of heat, and then that chip amplifies and converts those voltages into digital data using SPI communication, which Arduino reads to display the temperature. For display purpose, we will use the serial monitor, and then there you see we have GND VCC, serial clock, chip select, and signal out SO, and those are the pins that will be connected with the Arduino. Following this circuit, let me pause the video and I will be back with the Arduino and then this MAX6675 temperature sensing module connected. Okay guys, you see that I finished connecting the module with Arduino. Ground and 5 volts via brown and red wire are connected to the VCC and the GND of the module. Then serial clock is connected to pin 13 via black wire. Chip select is connected to pin 10 of Arduino via orange wire, and then signal out is connected to pin 12 via that blue wire respectively. So let's jump right to the computer and see the code. Okay guys, these are the codes that we are going to be using. See that we started by calling the header file, means the library, and of course for you to run this code you will need to install this library. You just have to come in the library, then search for MAX6675 and then install. But for me, you see that it is already installed, so there is no need to install it again, because when it is not installed, here where it is written remove, there will be installed. So let's let us back to the code, and then we started by including the library, and then we make a variable declaration on pin, means pins where our sensor is connected to the Arduino, and then we called the object the thermocouple, and then we call upon the pins where it is connected. We started the serial monitor, and then we print temperature, and we call this function that will read the temperature, that will read and convert the temperature into readings that you can interpret. Then we print the value in degrees Celsius, and then we put a delay of 1 second just to ensure that we got the reading correctly. So let me plug my Arduino and then go ahead download the codes to the Arduino. So you see that the Arduino is there. Port 18, then I'm gonna hit upload, and the program will first be compiled, and you see that it's done compiling, then proceed with uploading. And if you check it to the Arduino, you see that the codes are done uploading. So I'm gonna go ahead and open serial monitor. Guys, you can see that we started reading up to 28 degrees Celsius, now 28.25. And if I take a soldering iron and touch it on temperature sensor probe, you can see that the temperature there starts rising. Let me try to scroll down there on serial monitor. You can see that we are now up to 35 from 28. So this means that this sensor is responding correctly. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please give it by subscribing on this channel, hit a like, and share this video to someone you know may need this sensor. Ciao, bye. We love you.